Hi everyone, happy weekend and welcome back to my channel. My hair is, what is it? For this video today, it's quite a nice, exciting one. I think it's exciting anyway. I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm fresh faced today. This video I thought I'd start by just do my makeup with you all, have a little bit of a general chat, what I've been up to and all the rest of it, and then I'm gonna talk about a little giveaway that I'm doing. So I'm gonna start by doing my makeup. I've already done my skincare this morning. FYI, I'm wearing my Pandora necklace today that I mentioned in my last video, I think my last video, and I'm just wearing these really nice earrings which I bought from ASOS. Let's get in with the video, and I will talk through the products briefly, but I've done all this before. It's just my usual makeup. So the Revolution Beam Dream Glow Primer. I'm so excited about this little giveaway. I've wanted to do a giveaway on my YouTube/Instagram for such a long time, and it just sort of like hasn't come to fruition. I just thought like it's such a nice thing to do like around Christmas time, just a nice little like giving back. And I mean, listen, I know I've not got many subscribers or anything like that at the moment, but anyone that is watching my videos, I am really grateful. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying them. Hope I'm not too annoying. If I am, please don't say so, because I will probably get upset. I'm a sensitive little soul over here. I am primed. It's now time for the NARS Laguna Liquid Bronzer. That product just makes such a difference immediately as soon as you put it on. It's just amazing. Next, just going to do my NARS Shea Glow. And guys, FYI, I'm doing this a lot quicker than I would normally today. I feel like in the camera it doesn't always show, like from where I'm sat anyway, my eyebrow situation, because I did say in my last video, a good sister and a bad sister with my eyebrows, good and bad. Sometimes I just get a little angle and I think, oh God, you can really tell there. Is there any way to just fix eyebrows? I mean, they're not like horrendously different, but this one just has such a nice, oh, big hair on my face. It is mine, obviously. One has such good angle, and then this one just doesn't. Okay guys, whizzing through, bit of NARS Laguna, pat. Still not used to how dark this goes on straight away, so I still seem to be overdoing it a little bit. Sometimes I just think, do that to emphasize cheekbones. I was saying the other day, like my whole maternity leave and time with Eric has all been in lockdown, which is just so alien, really. I mean, it's become not alien to me, it just feels normal now, but it is, if you think about it, such an unusual situation. Like, I was kind of looking forward to those, like, me and my friends would say, like, oh, it'll be normal, and then you can go in Selfridges and push him around in his nice pram and all the rest of it, and it still hasn't happened. It's still where we are. And I thought, sort of like, by the time he would be born, which was obviously the end of July, I thought we will definitely be in a normal situation by then, and now we're in December and it is still the same, so I still haven't been able to do those like nice little things, really. Just like little luxuries. Just being able to like take him out in the pram and do nice shopping bits. I mean, we did go to the Trafford Centre and that was quite nice, but it's just not quite the same, is it, when you've got to wear a mask and be ultra cautious of everybody in the vicinity. It's just not quite the same. Doing this in my usual order, guys. I'm just kind of grabbing what I see first. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, whoa. What am I doing? What am I doing? It's not cool. Okay. Oh God, I am looking better than I did when I woke up though. Crikey. Crikey, that was scary. That was scary, guys. It did not look good. Just felt like I woke up today and my skin was just like dull. But you know what? I know why it is, because last night I took all my makeup off and I cleansed and I exfoliated. But you know what I didn't do? didn't tone, I didn't moisturise, I didn't put any oil on, any serum, nothing. I just didn't do it last night, and it was just simply because I was so shattered, and I just thought, oh, one night won't hurt. But you know what? Could I tell? Yeah, I could tell straight away that I hadn't done it. Just using the Revolution Brow Mascara. Thanks for the sound effects, babe. Thanks for that. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? This really is the most random order, so definitely don't mimic what I'm doing today, because this is... Wow, how am I going to rectify this actually? I actually don't think I can. This is going to be very interesting. I've just got the really white section of face at the front. Okay, this does not look good. Let's blend it out a bit. Just see if we can kind of fix this situation. No, I don't think it's doable. It's not perfect, but it's not actually as bad as I thought it was. Put a bit of setting powder on. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter one. So I was just saying maybe we should go out and get some food, and then I realised we're in tier 3 and we can't do anything. So that was fun. Right, let's do a bit of lipstick. And then going in with MAC Whirl. Bit of mascara to finish off. Alright, so my makeup is done. I'm just going to put my makeup back because I am very OCD about my surfaces. Get all these brushes wet, which desperately need a clean. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Boy, do they need cleaning. Right, everyone, so I am officially ready for the day now. So for this next part of the video, I'm going to do a giveaway. So I've got some really nice goodies from Revolution Beauty, which is one of my favourite brands. And the exciting thing about this is, well, one of the exciting things is that I've not even opened the box yet. I'm just opening the box now. Right, I'm in the box and I've done it terribly. Wow, okay. Okay, so it has been packaged nicely, but because I'm an idiot, it's not anymore. So for this giveaway, I am going to do my favourite mask, and it's such a festive one. It's the Face Off Gold Sparkle Peel Off Face Mask, which contains hyaluronic acid, which is great for texture of the skin. It's good for just how glowy your skin looks, fresh dewy, all those things. And it's just a really nice product, so I'm going to be giving one of those away. There's 3 products that I'm going to be giving away. This is the second one. So this next product is the Glycolic Acid Face Mist with glycolic acid, aloe extract, and a few other really nice skin loving ingredients. The glycolic acid is really good for glowing skin, resurfacing the texture of the skin, all those things. Just a more fresh, refined complexion, which obviously I love. It's such a nice product, and I think you are going to love it. So I'm really excited for the winner of the competition to receive that. And then finally, the next product that I am going to give away, and a really nice accessory which I really loved, and I had to buy myself one because I saw it and I just thought I need one of these as well, is the Revolution Skincare London Leopard Headband Bandeau. So this is one of those like sort of towely, fleecy headbands that you use when you're doing your makeup or doing your skincare. So you just pop this on. It comes in a really nice like zip up pouch. Got one for me as well, and it's a lovely leopard. It's got like a big bow on it as well, and obviously it's stretching. It'll go around your head here, so when you're doing your makeup and your skincare, it's just a nice little touch, a nice little accessory to use. So I've wanted one of these for ages, and then I saw the leopardy print one and I just thought it was really funky, so I thought I'll give one of those away as well. So these are the things that I'm giving away, just a lovely little trio of goodies just to get everybody into the festive spirit. And yeah, I really hope that you all enter the competition, and I'm really excited for the winner to receive it. I love giving a little bit of stuff back. So if you do want to be in with a chance of winning that trio of products from Revolution Beauty, then all you need to do is subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, comment a little blue heart in the comments section below, and you need to go over to my Instagram page, follow that as well, and I'm going to share a picture, so if you can just comment the little blue heart and like that as well. Oh, and don't forget to like this video. So you need to do all of those things in order to enter. You've only got until Christmas Eve to do this, and I will be announcing the winner at 7 p.m. on Christmas Eve. Really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'm really excited for you to take part in the giveaway. I will be back with more very soon, and yeah, I will see you next time.